Namaste students, this is Bhavani Shankar. In our last video, we discussed about the black soil, and in this video we are going to discuss red and yellow soils. So students, we are discussing chapter number 1, resources and development. The topic is classification of soil, and we are going to discuss red and yellow soil. So the first question regarding the name, that why this soil is known as red and yellow soil. So this soil looks red and it looks yellow depending upon the conditions, prevalent conditions. So when it looks red due to the presence of iron in it, or we can say due to the diffusion of iron. You all know about the rusting of iron. Due to the rust, the iron somewhat looks red, and due to the presence of iron in this soil, it looks red in color. Now the next point, that is when it looks yellow. So this soil looks yellow when it is in hydrated form. So in chemistry, what it means, that when it contains water or constituent elements, it looks yellow. So that is the reason that why this soil is known as red and yellow soil. The next point regarding to the formation of this soil, that it is formed due to weathering of crystalline igneous rocks. Weathering we already discussed in our previous video. Weathering is the process in which the rock fragmented, break up, decay. And what is the reason behind it? Due to the physical components like change in temperature, frost action, plants, animal and human activities. So this is the weathering. And weathering of crystalline means intrusive. The extrusive, that one is known as glassy, and crystalline, that is intrusive. Igneous rock. We all know that rocks are of 3 types: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. Igneous rocks are the rock which is developed due to the molten rock. Developed from the molten rock. Igneous means fire, and this is developed by the heat. So it is formed by the weathering of crystalline igneous rocks. Now where it is formed? So it is formed in the areas of low rainfall, or we can say less precipitation areas. Now the next point dealing with the crops. What are the suitable crops we can grow on this soil? You can see on board, groundnut and ragi are suitable crop grown in this soil. Now where this soil found? So this is the physical map of India. You can see the areas where the red and yellow soil found. You can see that this is the northeastern part of India. State of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. So this soil is somewhat found in the northeastern states. This soil is also found in the southern. This is the Deccan Plateau. You can see plateau. What do you understand by plateau? That is flat, elevated flat land. That is the meaning of plateau. So it is found in the southern and eastern part of the Deccan Plateau. This is the Deccan Plateau, and it is found in southern and eastern part. It is also found in, yes, you can see, these are the Western Ghats mountain range, and it is found in the Piedmont zone of Western Ghat. What do you understand by Piedmont zone, students? Piedmont zone means the zone, or we can say the region at the foothills of a mountain range, and here we are talking about the Western Ghat. So at the foothills of the Western Ghat, this soil is found. So these are the areas where the red and yellow soil found. So this is About the red and yellow soil, that it looks red due to the diffusion of iron, it looks yellow when it is in hydrated form. Hydrated means when it contains moisture or water. It is developed due to the weathering of crystalline igneous rock, crystalline intrusive igneous rock, that rock which developed from the molten rock, and that is a type of rock. Weathering, that is the breaking up, decaying of rocks due to temperature change, frost action, plants, animals and human activities, and developed in low rainfall areas. The major crops of this soil, groundnut and ragi, are the major crops of this soil. Certain crops are grown, but these are the major one. Areas, that is eastern and southern part Deccan Plateau, which includes the states of Odisha. You can see Odisha, Karnataka, some parts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So these are the states where the red and yellow soil found. We also discussed the states where red and yellow soil found in northeastern part of India. That part of India which is known by the land of seven sisters. We discussed that it is also found in the foothills, or we can say the Piedmont zones of Western Ghat. So students, this is all about the red and yellow soil. In our next video, we will discuss about the laterite soil. So don't miss the video. Thank you so much. Namaste.